is up, guys? So today I'm just gonna be playing with some slime that I made today. So yeah, let's do this. Okay, so what I did to make this fluffy, and it might not work, to make this fluffy you want to stretch it. If you don't have no shaving cream, you stretch it. And now I'm gonna get some hair gel, and you wanna open it, shake it a little. I wanna put that. Now you wanna do this. Get it all fluffy like. So if it comes out, if it starts leaking, you want to keep on doing it. This piece, I took a piece off. Just start kneading it. You might get like this, but we can clean the mess up later. So like this now. I got some tissues right here, so I can just wipe my hands. And can we get this video to 100,000 likes, please? And go ahead and click that subscribe button if you're not subscribed. Clean up your mess. Before I started this video, I put some water on here so it can be slippery. So now we'll pat it out. I'll be right back. And yes, I am in the bathroom. And whoever gets first, and I'm giving away mini stress balls if you guys haven't heard of that. So if you're not subscribed, please click that subscribe button so you can be entered into the giveaway. So I'm going to be taking this video to other places too, so stay tuned for that. I'm going to do a part 2, and yeah. So you guys can go check out my other channel called OTF Army. You guys go check that out. I did a 3 a.m. video, and this is the slime I use. I used the same exact slime, but it was blue. So I changed the color. You can change the color if you want to. Okay. For another fun to play with slime, you want to get this. What's it called? Whatever it's called. And you want to lay out your slime. Slimy. Now you want to take this and carve out the middle. If you guys have a knife, just go ahead and use it. I'm just not allowed to use it. Okay. Here. Carves out the middle. And it's a bounty. Okay, so it got stuck to the paper. Okay. So if you guys want me to do more slime videos, just comment down below. I'll read your comments. So yeah, see you guys later. Peace out.